So today our topic is arrays. We'll discuss one by one method. We have so many methods in arrays. We have like push, pop, shift, unshift. We'll discuss one by one. Actually, array means mm, so array means we have an index based elements, right? So let me 1 minute. App.js. I will comment this entire. So I will in index.html. I will add this app.js file. I will updating that file. We'll try to writing here. Okay. We'll discuss today is array methods. So in array methods, first we'll discuss about what is what is array. Array means it is an collection of collection of elements. Okay, so I will create one array constant. I will create some of the fruits. Okay, some of the fruits equal to array of I'm giving apple. mm, Apple. You can give banana, and we'll do this one. Today we'll discuss first one is we'll discuss push. Okay, so banana, apple, uh, we can give cherry, we can give mango. Okay, yeah, this many. Actually we'll discuss about push first one. Okay, so first of push, what we'll do means it will add one or more elements end of the array. Actually the push will do end of the array. For example, we need to add I will add here fruits dot push. For example, I am adding some element. For example, I am adding some so different food will add. So something I'm text I'm adding. For example, this is an we can consider as an fruit. Okay, so you can in alert we can see that now fruits will check. Okay, so now fruits will check. Go to the browser, copy the path. Actually copy the path, go to the browser, paste here, and see apple, banana, cherry, mango, and whatever we are added here, right? So it will be keep on add on ending end of the array. Okay, that is push will add end of the array. ఏం చేస్తుందంటే push ఈ లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ దగ్గర యాడ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. So keep on, it will add. If you add anything again, copy this one and enter, paste it here. Again you can add some randomly, you can add it. Now you can see first this one at the end of the array it will keep on adding. Okay, now see banana, apple, cherry, mango, and this fruit you can add anything, but I'm giving some text. So this is push. In JavaScript, push will be add at end. Okay, we have one more method, pop method is there. So pop method what will do, I will comma, I will do it pop means pop will remove the end of the array index elements. Okay, I'm removing, for example, I'm removing any of the element, or we can index based also we can remove it, but time being I will give this as just pop. Okay, now I will comment this one, and now see this mango will go, end of the element will remove. Pop will do end of the elements will it will be removed, like mango which will remove it will display apple, banana, cherry. Okay, so I will go to the browser and refresh it. Now see apple, banana, cherry, mango is gone. Why? The last element of the array is removed by using pop method. Okay, these are the two methods, and we need to add the starting of the element. Okay, then we can use I will use here shift. I will shift. I will add here only. So shift. I'm adding any fruit, like for example I will give something this much. This is the just you can give any fruit. Okay, just I'm giving random text here. So the shift will what will do that if you hover on this one, you can read here. So remove the first element of the array and return it. If the array is empty, undefined is returned. Okay, if you read this, if you hover on it, you what will do, we can see here. Okay, and return, and if the array is modified. Okay, we'll do first unshift. Unshift will do unshift. Unshift means it will add starting of the element. Okay, now keep on refresh. See, it is adding starting of the element, array of element. Starting will add it, right? That is uh, shift. Unshift. If I do unshift, shift means if you hover on this, you can read here. So insert a new element at the start of the array. See, insert a new element in the starting of the array and return the new length of the array. So it will return new element, new array. Okay, it will add the starting and will it will add. If I if I here do shift. Shift means just you give shift. Shift means it will automatically remove the first element. Now apple will remove, and banana, cherry, mango will appear. Okay, here one more method is what we are done. Shift. So shift means just first of element it will remove. See, here apple is gone, banana, cherry, mango is displaying. Okay, that is the use of array methods, and we have so many methods, like I will discuss one by one. And shift, unshift is done, and for each operator. Okay, so I will comment this one. Here fruits, for each element what will do, execute execute provided function once for each array element. Okay, so actually we have an each element, right? Element 1, element 2, element 3, element 5. So actually array, it will start from zero index, right? This is zero index, 1 2 3. Okay, if you want to access zeroth element, then you can give like this. Okay, so so you can see now you will get here apple. Okay, now if you console this one, or otherwise you console this one, you will get apple. Okay, so I want to discuss now for each method. Okay, for each method, for each for which method what will do, it will iterate the elements. Okay, it will give an all the elements, like so I will show you that. Mm, I will use here for each method. Okay, so I will writing arrow method now. Arrow function. Okay, just keep that. And in arrow function, you just pass some parameter, like fruit. You can pass. Okay, it is an fruit, right? Just fruit, and here you want to console it. Console.log of fruit. Okay, so now all the apple, banana, cherry, mango will print into the our line number 116. So go to the browser, refresh it. Okay, you comment this one first. Okay, so now go to the browser and refresh it. Go inspect it and go to the console. Now see, so apple, banana, cherry, mango is displaying. Okay, at the line number also it is displaying. If you click here, so if you click here, you can see the console. So how the iterate is going on, also you can take the breakpoint here. and in keep on loop it. Okay, you will getting here apple, cherry, banana, cherry, and mango. Okay, the for each method it will give all the elements only. Elements, it will not create a new array. So all the till now these up to pop, push, pop, and shift gives us a new just array, right? So new array it will giving, right? For each method, for each method it will give only elements. It will gives an element. If you see in console, it is not as an array, right? Just giving as an element: apple, banana, cherry, and mango. Okay, we'll go with the next method. So I will give one more method as map. So if I use here, I will remove for each now. So I will, if I use map, it will gives an array of elements now. Okay, it will provide a new array. Okay, so I will go to the browser now. So just I will go to, okay, it is not saved. So I want fruit. So fruit, yeah, just just copy the map. So map will, what will do, actually it will gives an a new array, right? So now we'll see that fruit we are added fruits dot map. So then it will print array of elements. So we will refresh that. Yeah, it is gives us again, just hover on it, will go here. Yeah, it is giving map. Just otherwise you go to that and return it. Okay, so then you can assign into the one variable. So okay, for example, I will assign into the variable a equal to, and this is just return it. Otherwise you will make it as uppercase, return, and return fruit dot fruit dot. So to make it as to uppercase, so here see, to uppercase will make it as to uppercase, and this a is there, right? So we'll console it. Now we'll print that values. So a you can give better name. All fruits you can give, all fruits. Just I'm giving random names. Okay, here copy it and paste here, and you will get save. Yeah, automatically save, right? So now go to the browser. So now see, apple, banana, cherry, mango is displaying. Okay, now this is all elements are giving as a capital case. Why? This is giving to uppercase method. This is a string method, right? So I will give some other method, like to low title case also there. So we'll give to uppercase to local uppercase. You can give this one also. It will work as an uppercase only. Okay, actually what is the difference you are observed here? For each will give just an iterate the element. This array will give as an element. Map will give the, this is an interview question. What is the difference between the for each and map? Okay, so for each and map, they you need to you need to inform. So map will gives an a new array, and for each will give iterate its element, and it will gives an just as an elements only. That is the major difference between the for each and map. Okay, just now you observed, right? So that is the use case of map and for each. Now we'll discuss one more method, like we have a filter, right? Filter method, what we'll do. So I will comment this one. So this also I will comment. I'm writing in single. Most of the methods are writing in single line only, but we'll try to write in some other line. Now we'll write the. So we have, for example, I will assign. We have just one array will map with the all the methods. Okay. So now I'm using the filter method. So if you want to, what is the filter method will do means return the element of the array that meets the condition specified in the callback function. Okay, this is what is a callback function. So this is callback function, right? Arrow function is callback function. So in that, so I am writing some fruit. So you can give anything, element or something. Fruit element also you can give. Okay, so whatever it is, you need to mention that. Okay, I am doing here filter something. I am doing filter if fruit length is greater than two characters, greater than two fruits. This is an apple is zero, right? Zero index based. This is one. This is two. This is three. Okay. So I need in filtering uh, greater than one. I will add that. Okay. For example, element 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 dot length. Length what will do, the entire this fruit length how much it will check. Okay, it is greater than two elements, greater than two, so it will gives an new element. Like I will assign these fruits. Okay, let assign uh filtered filtered element. I will give, you can give anything here name, just I'm giving random name. Okay, in console dot log off. So console dot log off, you can give filter name here. Okay, so now filter name means how, this is a zero, this is one, this is two, this is three. So element should be greater than two, means these elements will maybe print cherry and mango will be print. We can see now. Okay, so go to the browser, so clear it. So now I think uh, filtered element. So it is not returning that elements. Fruit dot element dot length greater than or equal to. For example, I will give here 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? The 4 is not there. Greater than 3, I will give. Then what should I? What it is print? We'll see. Okay. So it is printing all the elements. Okay, apple, banana, cherry, mango. Okay, this is apple 129 line filtered elements. So just okay, these fruits I will assign. So let me assign this as, so this entire we can assign with the let. So here the this is not changing actually. If I use here let, then it will work maybe. So actually what we are expecting here, filter in filter, go to the browser, refresh it. So apple, banana. So length is 4. So how many more than 4 elements it is expecting? Okay, that is filter will do. Filter what will do? It will filter the elements. It will give some condition based element. Okay, if you see here, if it is 3, then index based elements means all the elements is giving. Okay, for example, I will give here 1, then see we how we are getting. It's not printing actually. Okay, fruits dot filter what will do actually, filter the elements. For example, I will assign other. Okay, it is fruits. I will assign here. It is not understanding. Maybe I will comment above. And now filter. Otherwise, we'll give 1, 2, 3 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now I want length should be greater than 1. Okay. We'll see now how what will print. So now it is 0 is showing, right? So I will show greater than 3. Then it is not working as expected. The spaces will be created actually. Okay. Yeah. Now go to the browser. Filter, what will do? Actually filter the elements. Okay. For example, we can do here. Here also. Let so let a equal to, we can do that. Actually filter what will do, it is not understanding why it is. Actually length is greater than 3 means it will be, we need to filter 4 5 6, these elements we need to filter actually. Is roots dot element filter is not working, but we'll see later. And one more method is in array. We have till now what we have discussed for each map, shift, unshift, and uh, so filter. So now we'll discuss about find. Okay, find what we'll do. Just it will be find the element. So just here you can use here find. Okay, it is, if you hover on it you can read that return the value of first element in the array. So so find will, what will do, it will check the condition. Okay, for example the element is greater than, the length is greater than 3 is saying, right? So then it will find it will greater than 3, first element only it will return. If you hover on it, only first element will be written. Filter what will do, all it will check the elements and it will print remaining whatever. For example greater than 3, greater than 3 means 4 5 6 will print in filters. Okay, so filter, find what will do, only first element will be print. Okay, so I will refresh this browser. Okay, will remove this. This undefined is coming. Okay, got it. Actually, this filtered, I will give an array. It is not keep on understanding. So in array, will give find elements. Element, if it is element, what will do? Find if element is. I will return one condition. Yet element equal to 3. Okay, for example I am writing this condition. It is the element is 3, then it will return exactly that element itself. Okay, so I will give here a, you can add here a. Now otherwise use, now see 3 is getting. Okay, particular element we are getting using find means just it will give the first element only. For example here you can give element is greater than 4, element is greater than 4, greater than 4 element, element dot length, element dot length, length is greater than, length is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, then I will give here space. Greater than element is what, 5, 5 6 is there, right? So 5 will print maybe, 6 will print. So I will go to the browser. So it is undefined is reading by its length. Okay, the you understood, right? This length is not working as of now. This length, why it is not working, you can add here greater than 3 also. So if you go to the browser, go to the console, refresh now. Yeah, now we are getting. So now see 4 is getting, right? Greater than 3 means 4 we are getting, greater than 5 means we are getting 5. So only single element we are getting. Okay, now filter means what will do here, filter, filter just will give greater than 3. Greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6, more than one element it will give. Okay, go to the browser and refresh. See, 4, 5, 6 is getting. Okay, so 4, 5, 6 is getting. That is the difference between the filter and map, filter and find. That is the use of filter and find. Filter, what will do, it will print more than the greater element. For example, if you want to print here less than 3 means, it will print 1 and 2. Okay, find what will do, just only single element will print. Less than whatever 3 less than element is there, the single element will print. Okay, that is the difference between the filter and. Now see, 1 and 2 we are getting. Okay, previously what we are done, what we are getting with the find. If I use find now, just only single element will get. Okay, I will go to the browser now. Filter, with the filter 1, 2 we are getting, right? So now see, 1 we are getting with the find. That is the difference between the filter and find. Okay, so next I will discuss find index. Okay, find index, what will do, just it will the find the index only. Okay, index means, just right, what is the index of the one, what is the index of one, this in the inside the array. Index of 1 is 2. Okay, index of 0 is 1, index of 2 is 3. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are index values. Okay, so I'm just I will use the index. Okay, here we can use find index. I can use here find index. So what will you, if you hover on it, read it. Return the index of the first element in the array. Just index also it will gives only first element in the array only. Okay. So let me check this one. So here less than three element, whatever we have any element, it will print less than 3 element. Okay. Now go to the. See, less than 3 means index is getting now. Less than 3, what we have? Less than 3, if you go to the less than, this is 0 index, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so the element is less than 3. 3 is, this is 3 element, right? So the less than which index we are getting? 0. 0 index is 1. Okay, just it will gives an indexed value. Okay, that is the use case of first element, only single element it will give index. Okay, index of what will do, just it will gives output. For example, I will give one more example, one more method here. Index of what will do, this element is exist or not. If it is exist, then it will give 1, positive 1 value, otherwise it will give -1. Okay, this value is exist or not. Okay, just I will give here index of. So here you hover on it, read that. Return if the index of the first occurrence of value is a value in array. So it will print, it is print 1. Okay, otherwise it will gives minus. Here -1 is given, right? -1 it will print. If the index value is not there, then it will print. For example, I will give index of, just I will remove this entire thing. I even bracket also. I will do here, control Z. So index of 4 I am finding. Index of 4 is exist, then it will gives 1. Okay, if I now if you go to the browser, now see, index is 3 is getting. Okay, index of 4 is 3, right? This is 0, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, for example, I will giving 7. 7 number is not there, then it will gives as -1. This only indicates now the return of the index of the first occurrence of value in the array, then it will gives just index, otherwise it will gives as -1. Okay, now 7 is not there, it will print -1. Go to the browser. So now see, now -1 we are getting. Okay, that is about index of. Okay, so let me discuss about in includes also. Okay, next I will discuss includes. Okay, includes what will do, for example, this it will give some true and false. Okay, if you hover on it, you read it. So if the this element is exist in the array, then it will give a true, otherwise it will give an false. That is the use of includes. Okay, for example, in this array 7 is not exist, right? So now it will give an false. Go to the browser now, clear it and refresh it. Now it is getting false. Okay, so the 7 is not exist in the array, that's why includes is getting my false now. So if I give here 3, then it will print true value now. Okay, includes what will do, it will print true and false values. It is include in the array, then it will give true. If it is not include, then it will give an false. Okay, I will go to the browser, refresh it. Now true is getting. Why? Because the 3 is exist in the array. Okay, that is the use of includes. And we have other method also, reduce. So now we'll discuss about reduce. What is the use of reduce? Okay, so now reduce, i will dis I will add reduce method. So reduce method is basically, if you read this about reduce, just it will consider as one accumulator. One actually first one is callback function. Okay, inside the callback function, it will consider as one accumulator, one previous value, they are saying current value and index. Okay, so if you read here, the function that accept up to 4 arguments, reduce method calls the callback function once time for each element in the array. Okay, for example, what we are doing here, so I am calling arrow function. Okay, so just I am adding accumulator acc means accumulator. And so for example, we have a number. So we have, this is the num, right? So all the numbers we are getting here, numbers. And just I'm giving yes, total length is how much we are getting. Okay, so I'm adding here accumulator plus num. Okay, now it will print the value. Okay, so now it will print the value. So this is actually we are returning, right? So this is the returning case. Now if you go to the browser, refresh it will give some sum, right? So now it will give 21. If you add this entire thing, you will get 21. This is an 11, 11, 5, 11, 4, 15, 18, 19, sorry, 20, 21. This entirely it will give, reduce will give our sum of the element. Okay, that is about reduce. Next we will discuss about slice. Okay, i will I will give the comma. I will discuss about slice. What will do, just it will gives an the portion of elements, or uh, portion of elements. Okay, basically it will give some portion of element. I will add one more element, a equal to, just will give array dot just will assign slice means just we are cutting, that's it. So slice it will give starting, if you over on it, so say read it. So it will give an a start and end. Just it will tell what is the use of slice method. Use cases it will tell here, it will give an sense. I am giving here 1 comma 3. For example, I will give 1 comma 3. What will be print? So we'll see now. Okay, so go to the browser. So now see 2 comma 3. So now it is giving 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 means, so 2 comma 3 means this is the element, right? So this starting element, this is ending element. Our starting index is 1, right? 1 means this is 0 index, 1 is 0 index, and 2 is 1 index, 3 is 2 index, 4 is 3 index, 5 is 4 index, 6 is 5 index. This is the index value. We are slicing that. So from the starting to ending element. Okay, this starting element means this is starting index number. Okay, index 2 to 3. The printing value is 2 comma 3, right? So now 2 comma 3 we are getting. We are slicing the value. Slice means just it will cut the portion of the element in the array. Okay, splice will discuss now. Splice what